I'll be replacing the front brake calipers here, and this Toyota Sienna 2011-2020 is gonna be exactly the same. Also Toyota Highlander 2011-2019 will be exactly the same, and also Lexus Rx350 from 2010 all the way up to 2015. Let's get started. And the first thing, I'll open the brake fluid reservoir. 21mm lug nuts. And when you're doing this job, always turn the steering wheel to the side that is more convenient for you. I'm gonna try to open the brake caliper here so it can come out easily. 17mm bolt here, 1 and 2. Next, I'm gonna be cleaning here. And then I'm gonna be applying anti-seize grease so the rotor wouldn't get stuck here. Alright, the new brake caliper here, everything is the same. It has been compared with the old one already. Make sure you thread the bolts as much as you can by hand, so to make sure they don't go quite threaded. I'm gonna lubricate the boots here for the slide pins. Now I lubricate these ones here too, the seals and the pistons and the brake caliper. Check the slide pins, even though they are brand new, but always check them. And these ones are in very good condition. And here you have all the torque specifications for all this job here, for all the bolts and lug nuts, everything. And the two 17mm bolts here, they have been tied to torque specification already. The new hardware here, I'm gonna lubricate it with brake compound. Make sure you don't make contact with the brake compound and the rotor here. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. The new brake pads here. Alright, I'm gonna transfer the brake line to the new brake caliper here. I do this at the last few seconds because I don't like to take out the brake line too soon from the old brake caliper because too much oil comes out, and also it's hard to bleed out the air out of the brake lines. So this way it will take me about 2-3 minutes to bleed out the air out of the brake lines. New bolts here and the new washer. The other one at the bottom. Gotta use this because it's so slippery with the brake fluid. Always thread this bolt by hand all the way. Now we open the bleeder here. Alright, already started to bleed out here. As you can see, you let it like that for about 2-3 minutes, and basically it bleeds out the air only by yourself, and you only have to go to the brake pedal once or twice, no more than twice. When you do it like this, you let it bleed out by itself. Only keep watching the brake fluid reservoir. Keep the brake fluid reservoir up to the maximum. Do not overfill it. That is not good. Do not let it go down too much either. I'm gonna close the bleeder again. This is 8mm bleeder, by the way. And after closing the bleeder and the brake caliper, I come here and I'm gonna be turning on the engine and depress the brake pedal for about 5 times with the engine running. Now you don't have to do this with the engine running. You can do it with the engine off if you want to. I like to do it this way because the brake pedal is very soft to depress it like this. But you don't have to. I like to do it this way. Toyota doesn't tell you to bleed out the air out of the brake line with the engine running or either with the engine off. Do it in any way you want to. Because I removed the brake line from the old brake caliper up to the last few seconds when I was ready to install to transfer it to the new brake caliper here. That makes it so easy to bleed out the air out of the brake line. I'm gonna go to the brake pedal again and see how it feels. It built up a lot of pressure already. However, I'll do it one more time. Alright, the brake pedal built up a lot of pressure already, but I'm gonna do it one more time. So this is the second time and that's it. It should be good. I'm gonna pump the brake pedal again to see how it feels, but it should be okay at this time. Alright, the brake pedal built up a lot of pressure. It's good. It was good since the first time, but however I did it a second time. Always put a cap here on the bleeder. And finally I'll close the brake fluid reservoir. Alright, job done. Thanks for watching the video and God bless you all.